Well, good evening. We just hosted our first patient appreciation night, our VIP night, where we had a special evening of beauty for all our patients who've been loyal to us. It was a wonderful evening. We had demonstrations on Voluma injection. We had a demonstration on spider vein injections. We had a lovely talk on facelift by Linda Cook. And we had wonderful food by Barley and Rye and wine, and several reps from companies like Jane Iredale, EJ Salk, representing our skincare line, and Latisse and Allergan. So it was all in all a wonderful evening.
I had a facelift several years ago from Dr. Van Ralte, and he was so understanding, he was so patient, he explained everything to me. He explained what was going to happen during the surgery and what was going to happen afterward. After the surgery, I finally felt like the person I felt inside. In other words, I didn't feel like I was old, I didn't feel tired, and finally on the outside, I didn't look that way either.
This is Nancy Loeb. I've had a few different procedures here, but the most important thing I ever had was, and it's been a while ago because Dr. Van Ralte didn't even have this office at the time. And I had my surgery done at the Mississippi Valley Surgery Center when it was new. But I felt at my age I was looking too much older. I think because I wasn't real, heavy, I didn't have a lot of fill in my face. And so I went ahead and did it, and it was the best thing I ever did in my life. And I've actually had one since then too, because I just think that because I don't have a lot of bone structure in my face or fat in my face, that it has a tendency to, I feel like if I wouldn't have had this done, I would look a lot older. And when I had my surgery done, a week later I brought flowers up to the nurses that were at the surgery center because they were so nice to me, and they didn't even know who I was. That's how good it was.
My name is Betty Series, and I had Dr. Van Ralte do blepharoplasty in 2001. Again, he wasn't in this office, he was in a different one, and we had the procedure done within the office. I chose Dr. Van Ralte because he was board certified and was known as the very best of the plastic surgeons in the area. I got tired of people telling me how tired I looked, and after the blepharoplasty, no one said that to me anymore. So it was a wonderful decision, and this is what, 13 years later, and my eyes still look good.
The procedure I had done was the tummy tuck, and I am so grateful that I had it done. I feel like I just have brand new confidence that I never had before, and I just feel like I've gotten my life back, which I'm really excited about. Dr. Van Ralte and the staff are all amazing here. They just take the time and patience with you to explain everything. They've just been so patient from beginning to end, just making sure I knew what I was getting into, what would happen like during, after, making sure that I took care of myself after, just follow-up visits. They've taken so much time. Everybody's super friendly. I felt comfortable from just the moment I decided to do the procedure. I couldn't say enough great things about Dr. Van Ralte and the whole staff here.